How can I view my WhatsApp call history on my device?
Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to learn how to view our WhatsApp call history on our device. Whether you're looking to find a specific call or simply review your recent conversations, this guide will help you. Remember, with a few simple taps, accessing your call history on WhatsApp is a breeze.
Open WhatsApp on your device.
To get started, you'll first need to open WhatsApp on your device. Look for the WhatsApp icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap it to open.
Navigate to the Calls tab.
Once you've opened WhatsApp, locate the Calls tab at the bottom of the screen on iOS or at the top of the screen on Android. Tap it, and this will take you to your call history.
Review your call history.
Now that you're in the Calls tab, you should be able to see your entire call history. This includes both voice and video calls, regardless of whether you were the caller or the recipient. Each entry will have the name or number of the other party, the type of call, voice or video, and the date and time of the call.
Getting more details.
If you want more details about a specific call, tap on it. This will show you additional information like call duration and multiple calls with the same contact if there are any.
Clearing call history.
Finally, if you wish to delete your call history, you can do so from this screen as well. Simply tap and hold a call log entry, then select Delete from the pop-up menu. Be careful though, once deleted, you cannot recover your call history. And there you have it. You now know how to view your WhatsApp call history on your device. Remember, all your recent calls, whether voice or video, can be easily accessed through the Calls tab. Keep this guide in mind next time you need to find a specific call or review your conversations. As always, if you found this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.